Hi folks, I'm Dave Russell from Russell NDE Systems in Edmonton, Canada. I'm here to tell you today about an invention that we've made here that'll make your life easier to detect corrosion in pipes. That's corrosion that's under insulation or inside the pipe as internal corrosion. The invention is a flexible probe that's called a blanket probe. This probe can be placed on the pipe and will flex in two directions and handle any size pipe. Inside the probe there are 256 sensors that are laid out in a pattern like this. Those sensors detect electromagnetic energy which is affected by the pipe wall thickness. Again, regardless of whether the pipe is insulated or bare pipe, we can detect internal or external corrosion. Come with me to the shop and we'll see how it works. Hi, so here we are in the shop. Here's a pipe with some internal pitting, and I'm going to place the blanket probe over top of where I know that is. Quick strap around to hold it in place, and we're ready to take a shot. Okay, so the system is pretty simple. It consists of a ferroscope instrument, a connected interface box, and a laptop computer, and of course the blanket probe. All we have to do once it's set up is to type a file name in here and hit the go button. So less than a minute later you have your image of the corrosion appearing on the screen. Here are the deviations in the strip chart showing the magnetic field deviations, and here's the image of the corrosion with darker colors meaning a deeper corrosion spot. Okay, so what does the rest of this pipe look like? What we have to do now is to reposition the blanket probe either to the side or the other side of that spot, or just move it down the pipe. So in this case I'm going to move it down the pipe. Now I'll reposition the blanket probe. We've got this all marked out in blanket probe size increments. I need to readjust my exciter coils, which are providing the field, and then type in a new file name and hit go. So again, this is normal pipe, and you see that there are no indications of corrosion anywhere on the strip chart or the color map. Next part of the demo will be to show you how it works through insulation. So in this case I'm going to use a 1-inch thick piece of foam between the blanket probe and the pipe. This is over top of the part that has the internal corrosion. So we've placed the blanket probe. We're now just going to start the file. So you see that the image from the corrosion with the insulation in place is a little fainter, but all we have to do is turn up the view gain in order to bring that back to what we had before.